Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of operators in JavaScript. What do you mean by operator? Operator is simply a symbol to perform some operations on the given operands. We have different types of operators available in JavaScript. We will discuss each and every one in detail. The first one, arithmetic operators, which are used to perform basic arithmetic operations, plus addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. So everyone know the addition of two numbers, subtraction. You need to understand this one. This slash gives the quotient. This percentage gives the remainder. Okay. For each and every operator, we are moving with one example. Script. Here I will write down some example where some a is equal to 3, where some b is equal to 4. Okay. Now directly I am printing the value. Document dot write of a plus b. So a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a slash b, a modulus b. Instead of small numbers, I given some large numbers. Suppose number 15 and number 4. Okay. Now here I will write down one more thing. Document dot write of some break statement. Okay. Copy. Clear? Save. What I am doing? Just I am doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything. Now copy the path. See, addition of 15 plus 4, 19. Subtraction, multiplication, division means quotient. Modulo division is remainder. Modulo division is remainder. Clear? This is arithmetic operators. Think of the basic one. Second one, assignment operator. What is the main assignment operator? Is equal to. Suppose a is equal to 5. Value 5 is assigned to a. This assignment operator is used with other operators also. How? Suppose if you have a statement like this, the left side and right side have same variable. Instead of writing this one, you can write this one also. Both perform the same thing. X is equal to x plus y. This is equal to x plus is equal to y. Both do the same thing. Okay. This is assignment operator. Now move to comparison operator. Here the comparison operator means comparing two values in a Boolean fashion. The result is either true or false. So everyone know greater than or equal to. Suppose 5 greater than or equal to 3. Output is true. 5 greater than 3. Output is true. Suppose 5 less than 3. Output is false. 5 not equal to 3. Output is true. 5 less than or equal to 3. True. 5 not equal to 3. False. Now, additionally, this one and this one are available. What is the difference between double equal and triple equal? Double equal checks just the equality. Triple equal checks the identity. Triple equals checks the identical also. I will show with one example. Now, so here I am taking a value is equal to 5. Suppose b value is equal to 5. A greater than b. A less than b. A greater than or equal to b. A less than or equal to b. Now, a not equal to b. First, I am printing these values. Okay. Now, refresh. So, based on the condition, it gives the false to true, false to true. Last one output is false. So, a value is 15. B value is also 15. Now, observe carefully. A value is 15. B value is 15. A not equal to B. The output is false. But actually, the A value is equal to B value. Why the output is false? Now, so ignore all the things. Consider the last one. I am writing double equal. So 15 is equal to 15. Yes or no? True. So I think everyone clear. Now actually 15 is equal to 15. Previously you are writing not equal. That is the reason they given false. Now you are writing equal, they given true. Now you need to observe here. Here I am given 3 equals. Here I am given 2 equals. So observe only the last two. Last two true. So both are same. Then what is the difference between double equal and triple equal? Now I am changing to some one. A value is not equal to B value. So in the last two statements, both written false. Exactly. Now fine. What is the difference? Now 15. I written the same 15 in the string format. Now observe the last two print statements. The last one is true, before one is false. I think you got it. A equal to B. It just checks the content. So double equal to just to checks the content. Here content is 15. Here also the content is 15. That is the reason true. Here triple equal to checks identity, means along with content, they checks the data type also. I think you got it. That is the main difference between double equal and triple equal. Clear? These are comparison operators. Now, logical operator, logical and logical or logical not. Logical or logical not. What is the meaning? Simply I am not executing A greater than B, double ampersand. Suppose A greater than C. Means first it checks A greater than B. It returns either true or false. Suppose if it returns true, next to A greater than C, it also returns true. What is the output? True. True, false. The output is false. False, true. The output is false. False, false. The output is false. The logical end operator means if both are true, the result is true. Remaining all cases, the result is false. Similarly, OR operator, if at least one is true, the result is true. Not equal, so not of A greater than B. Suppose A value 5, B value 3. What is the answer? 5 greater than 3, true. Not of true means the output is false. This is logical operator. Next, bitwise operator means here the operation is performed on bits. Bits in the sense, for example, before going to that, what are the different operators? Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR. This is bitwise not. Left shift, right shift with zero fill. I will give one example. Suppose A is equal to some 7, B is equal to some 6. Bitwise in the sense, the numbers are converted into binary. Now 7 is converted into binary. This is the binary representation of 7. 6 is converted into binary. This is the binary representation of 6. Now, first to end operation, if both are true, the result is true. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is 1, 1, 0 number? 6. The result is 6. Now, I will show one example. A is equal to some 7 I given. B is equal to some 6. Now what I am doing? A and B. Ignore the remaining things. What is the answer? 6. So bit by bit it perform the operation. Similarly, what is the OR operation? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. OR is 1, 1, 1. That is 7. What is mean by XOR? XOR in the sense, if the two bits are same, the result is 0. If two bits are different, the result is 1. Now 1, 0, two bits are different. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. If you have doubt, check. Check the XOR. Observe, the output is 1. Like this, you can perform left shift operation. Suppose A is equal to some 5. What is the left shift? 5 is converted into binary. Okay, left shift by 3 times. Simply move to the left side. 0 is added. This is first left shift. 1, 0, 1, 0. This is second left shift. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is third left shift. For each shift operation, one bit moves to the left side. Simply what happened? My number is 5. For the first left shift operation, my number becomes double. For the next left shift operation, double. For the next left shift operation, double. Similarly, right shift in the sense, move the bits to the right side. Suppose if this is your number, if I am doing right shift by 4 times, for the first right shift 1 0 1 0 0, the next one 1 0 1 0, the next one 1 0 1, the next one 1 0, each and every time the value becomes half. Now A left to shift 4 times. Suppose simply I am given A value is equal to 5. Similarly, A right shift by 4 times. Instead of A, I am taking some number 60. B right shift by 4 times. Now B right shift with 0 fill. After shifting, it fills the remaining places with zeros. Observe, the first one is 80. So next to 60, first shift operation, first right shift value becomes 30, second shift of 15, third shift half of 15 means 7, and fourth shift half of 7 is 3. Here right shift with 0 fill in a sense, after shifting, it fill the values with 0. Obviously, it becomes 0. Those are bitwise operators. Now, anyway, string operator used for concatenation. Suppose S1 is equal to hello, S2 is equal to how. What is S1 plus S2? Simply hello, how. The two strings are concatenated. Two strings are concatenated. After concatenation, if you want, you can assign. Now, what is the meaning of this one? str1 is equal to str1 plus str2. Concatenate the two strings and assign it to str1. This is string operator. Now, increment and decrement. So, two operators are available. Plus, plus, increment operator. Minus, minus, decrement operator. First, I will explain increment. Here, again, two types of increments are there. Pre and post. What is the difference? Observe, A is equal to 5. Plus, plus A. What is the value of A? The value of A is incremented by 1. 6. Now, A is equal to 5. A plus plus. What is the value of A? Here also the value of A is incremented by 1 6. Then what is the difference between pre and post? Observe, before the variable, if you write the operator, that is called pre. After the variable, if you write the operator, that is called post. Remember, if your expression consists of only increment operator, there is no difference between pre and post. If your expression consists of more than one operator, then observe A is equal to 5, B is equal to plus plus A. Now your expression consists of two operators. One is equal to one is plus plus. In this situation, first pre means first it performs the increment operation. Now A value becomes 6 and then doing the other operation, that is assignment, B also becomes 6. Now A is equal to 5, B is equal to A plus plus. What is the meaning? In this post means last we are performing increment. First you are doing assignment operation. So B value becomes 5 and then A value becomes 6. Now you got the difference. Whether it is increment, increment the value by 1. Whether it is decrement, simply decrement the value 1. Understand the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. And at last, ternary operator means question mark colon. This is ternary operator. Simply, you are writing the expression. Suppose my program A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Here I am writing A greater than B question mark. So I am printing some statement. A is large, colon, B is large. First it checks the condition. If the condition is true, between the question mark and colon, this is executed. If the condition is false, this is executed. If you want, you can assign it to some variable, and this is assigned to this variable. This is assigned, or this is assigned to this variable. This is called ternary operator. These are different operators that are available in JavaScript. Clear? That's the end of operators. Thank you.